first of this year's US presidential TV debates triggered a frenetic morning in Tokyo's currency dealing floors as traders used global forex markets to place their bets on Donald Trump's temper and Hillary Clinton's stamina. The debate, broadcast on Monday evening in the US, was timed perfectly for the middle of Tokyo's morning trading session on Tuesday, and the yen spent the 90 minutes of the debate in a series of sharp, decisive dips against both the US and Canadian dollars. Having traded at about 100.3 against the US dollar 3 hours before the debate began, the yen dipped to 100.84 as the debate turned to Mr. Trump's tax returns and his record of support for the 2003 US invasion of Iraq. The Canadian dollar rose from 75.85 to 76.38 against the yen as the debaters hit their respective strides. The Canadian dollar, said traders, had become a gauge of Mr. Trump's election prospects because of his rhetorical attacks on the North American Free Trade Agreement. Other pairings were on the move too. The Mexican peso climbed steeply from weeks of decline against the US dollar as traders judged every quip, interruption and snarl of the televised clash and concluded that Hillary Clinton carried the night. Behind the moves, say analysts, is a fairly straightforward call. The better Mr. Trump appears to be doing in the polls and in the debates, the more the markets feel they need to prepare themselves for real chaos if he actually wins the election. The yen in that context is odds-on favourite to reprise its traditional role as a safe haven currency in times of profound global uncertainty. Leo Lewis, Financial Times, Tokyo.
The Monongahela River was once at the heart of America's most important industry, steel. Its busy waterways carried the coal that fueled the furnaces of the industrial communities in western Pennsylvania.